So, how's life right now here in the US?
It's fun.
It's fun.
It's nice to be simple, like doing the dishes, the laundry, cleaning, sakit sa balakang, pero you have to do it. Like, is ng banyo. I just cleaned the drain last night.
So, paano yung ano mo nun? Adjustment mo? Parang unfamiliar place, parang familiar to unfamiliar place, which is ngayon.
I didn't really adjust much. Kasi even when I was in the Philippines, I'd clean my own place. My room and everything. Although may mga angels kang kasama, pero ikaw pa rin yung nagsusupervise. Hindi lang ako naglalaba.
Oo.
So, I don't really cook. So, yun ang problema namin.
Yung sa cook lang.
Yung sa cook. Kasi doon ako nag-adjust. Kasi the first time I tried to cook rice, epic fail. Antigas, buhangin.
Rice yan, ha?
Rice cooker na
Rice
yan,
yan,
ha? Rice cooker na yan, ha?
Kulang or ano?
Kulang sa tubig. So sabi ko, paano ko ba ito lulutuin? Syempre, yung mga kaibigan ko sa consulate, they were all teaching me how to cook the rice. Till finally, I perfected it. So, yung asawa ko magaling magluto. So, siya yung tagaluto. But when they want, let mommy cook the rice. Ganun, let mommy cook the rice. Or like, there's a certain way they want their, like, meatloaves fried. I want mommy's fried.
Oh.
Ganon. Kasi yung, medyo natututo na ako doon, pero wag mo ako palutuin ng adobo, sinigang, yung mga ganon.
Talaga? Well, tuturuan kita dyan.
I know why. Naiinis akong maghiwa.
Oo, yun ang pinakamahirap
ayoko.
talaga.
Kaya nga tawag nila sa sink, office ni mommy. Kasi I love washing the dishes.